Brian Sensei here. In this video, we're going to look at how to use styles in Microsoft Word to help enhance your headings and subheadings, and I'm even going to show you how to create your own custom style. Let's dig in. Okay, so here I am in Word Desktop, and I have a document here about the history of rock music. Here you can see I've got some headings already and paragraphs throughout the document. But what I want to do is I want to apply styles to these headings. And there's a couple of reasons to use styles. One is to make your document look nicer, but also these can be leveraged when you create a table of contents. All right, so to apply a style, first you'll want to select the text that you want styled. Of course, you can drag over the text to select it. You can click 3 times to select it, or you can move your mouse off into the margin on the left and click once, and that will select the whole row. Now, when you select it, you're going to see the mini toolbar pop up. You'll find styles right here. But you'll also find it up here in the Home tab. Right here is our styles area. And there are more than 5 styles. So if you click here, you're going to expose all of the built-in styles. And as you mouse over them, you'll see the preview on your document. So I'm going to go ahead and select this style right here. And there we go. I've got a nice title for the beginning of my document. Now, what's nice is if you want to modify this further, you can go ahead and select it again. And of course, you can do things like center it, or maybe you want to make it bold. All right, so that looks a little bit nicer. Now I want to apply styles to my headings down here. I've got a few headings here between paragraphs. So I'm going to go ahead and select these. And I'll apply the heading 1 style on each of these. And then it's nice because if you have subheadings to these headings, you can apply the heading 2 style. And this is helpful when you're making a table of contents. The table of contents will automatically be organized based on your headings and subheadings. All right, so I have all of those done. Now, here's the cool thing. What if you want to create your own style and get it added to this library? So here's what you do. I'm going to go ahead and select the text I want, and I'll go ahead and I'm going to make this normal. And I'm going to go ahead and design it the way I want it. So for example, I've installed my own fonts that I downloaded from the web. So I'm going to go in here and use this font, and I'm going to make this a little bit larger, and I'm going to go ahead and put some color on it. So I'll change my font color here. All right, that's looking really cool. So now I'm going to select this again, and this time I'm going to go back into all of my styles, but down here we have boom shakalaka, create a style. So I'll click here and I can name it and click OK. And boom shakalaka, you can see it is now listed here as the first style in the list. Oh yeah. All right. And then of course I can go down and apply this style to all of my headings. And that's how you use styles in Microsoft Word. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.